Good morning, I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update. It is Friday, December 11th, 2020, and we'll call this one still on the maps. Surface map starting to take shape is that storm that we discussed that will be affecting the Midwest over the next 2 or 3 days. Quiet out east, all out east for now. The worst impacts for Wisconsin could be along the lake shore with waves and overwash and erosion. Warnings, watches and advisories have already been put into place. For the Northeast, the wettest period will be this weekend, later Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. This is 5 p.m. as a weak system pushes through, bringing rain to everyone. Total rainfall around 1/4 to 1/2 inch, give or take. And as we've talked about the last couple of days, next week has the potential to be stormy. We're watching a storm nearby with plenty of cold air to work with on Wednesday and Thursday. The blue and the green represent the rain, snow, or rather, let's just say the freezing line. The latest operational models and their tracks, all of them still have the storm. The German model, which we don't really use too much, is the weakest without phasing and closer to the coast. The GFS Canadian Euro have a snowstorm from Philly to Boston with 850 millibar temps in the upper 20s over New York City. We'll see if this holds. GFS, on the other hand, has been pushing south the last few runs. So, although the operational ones have gone north, the ensembles have gone south. The ensembles are still northward. The European, GFS as well, again south, but their ensembles are much north. Here's the Canadians, just for good measure. I didn't run the ops for you, but it's further south, but the ensembles keep it north. So here's the benchmark, the 40-70 line. Lots of cold air to play with for this storm. The key comes down to track and strength. Too close and there's a rain-snow line in the mix, a benchmark track. And this is a pure snowstorm. A bit further south than we are on the northern fringe. It's a lot to play with. So, GFS, Canadian. Oh. And here's something I'm just not buying. This is the 11 to 15 day temperature outlook. It wants to say our anomalies will be above average out east, at or below out west. There's too many signatures happening, too many things happening that I just don't know how much warmth will actually be prevalent. But I've been wrong before. We'll have to keep an eye on it. I'm not going to lay any money on the line, but thinking about it. Anyway, that'll do it for this week. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Have a great weekend.